Guys, it's the girl Anella. Welcome back to my channel, and I'm gonna show you guys what hairstyle I do with my 3 braids. So keep on watching. I'm gonna jump straight into the video. So like when I do my 3 braids, I leave it open like this, but you know, fix it more cute or whatever. Or but what I'm gonna do today, I'm gonna like do like a slick low ponytail with the 3 braids. So I'm gonna do it just like this. Let's grab some gel. Guys. Just like rub it in, because you know we want it to be nice and slick or whatever. So just like this, I'm gonna brush it up. I'm gonna brush it up. Get like how I want my front to be. So I want it to be nice and slicky, like slick. So we're gonna brush it just like this. Yes. Then you're gonna take it in the back like this. Keep brushing. Brush. Don't worry, guys. We're gonna fix it up. Don't you worry, not one little bit. I'm gonna put this in the scrunchie like this. It's so rainy over here. Oh my goodness. Like, is it raining today where you guys is at? Let me know in the comments. But tighten it a little bit. Then I'm gonna just like, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just fix it up the way I want it to. Just like this. Brush it just like this. I'm brushing it like this. So like if I don't want to leave it like open like in my with the curls, I would do this because it's so cute. So I just like brush it, and then with this comb I do it like a wave. If you guys can see what I'm doing. Yeah, I can't see because I didn't do it right. Let's do it over. So see how it's going like this? Ooh, we want it to be like a wave. Bring this one back like this. Yep. Yes, guys, just like this. You see my wave? Yes. So that wave is popping. And then I leave my hair like out like this. Yeah. And then I go. Whatever I got going on today or whatever. This is the look. But yeah, so you guys don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what other video y'all want me to do. Don't forget to turn on your bell notification. Yeah, and guys, one more thing. So my birthday's coming up, and I'm trying to figure out what I want to do. So I don't know what I want to do, but we'll figure it out. And if I do anything, I'll let you guys know what I did. But okay, toodles, guys.